Hi, my name is Mike Myers.
Hi, and I'm Joe Ram.
So what we've done after many years of me doing the CompTIA Network Plus videos on my own, I've decided to ask my buddy Joe Ram.
That's it.
Instructor for how many years in IT?
Ooh, 15 now.
Okay, and a big fan of my products, right?
Of course, and you.
They go hand in hand.
Yes.
Anyway, so we're going to be working together to present the new CompTIA Network Plus N10008 course.
Right. And what you can expect to learn in this course is networking fundamentals, implementation, operations, security, and of course, one of the most important, troubleshooting.
So the Network Plus really kind of picks up from where the A Plus leaves off.
Yes.
So with the A Plus concentrating on more on how do I get this one system on a network, the Network Plus really says, how do you build a network? I mean, with Net Plus, it's going to be the first time you build your own LAN, hopefully your own WAN, really going to be working with switches and routers and all that stuff. And it's an absolutely amazing course. In fact, Joe, I've often felt that Network Plus is what I call the greatest ooh-ah course.
Ooh-ah.
Because when people watch the course, they're like, ooh, ah. You know what I mean?
I do know what you mean, because what's really interesting is that if you do happen to have your A+ certification and you did really, really well on the networking section, well, then you pretty much got the basics of networking down, which is going to really help you for the basics, because it's pretty much the same in the Network Plus as far as cables and you know, your 568A and B standards and things like that.
And extending past that. So
Yeah,
the
of
big
course.
question people have is, how do you actually pass the exam? So the number one rule I always say, Joe, is number one, have a great video series. Ta-da! Number two, have a great book. Now, our video series is based on my CompTIA all-in-one Network Plus N10008 book from McGraw-Hill.
It's a mouthful.
McGraw-Hill loves these long titles. However, on top of that, the other thing we always recommend are practice questions. We actually developed this video along with my book and our practice questions to work together to help you pass the CompTIA N10008 exam. So we always recommend all three of those.
And the practice questions are really, really great. They're efficient, and they're probably as close as you're going to get to the actual Network Plus exam. So put on your cowboy hats and put on some really strong cologne, because you're going to get a lot of hee-haws. And how you doing? Mike's a Texas guy. I'm a Jersey guy.
And we get along just fine together.
Yes, we do.
We're doing better. Be sure to let us know when you've passed the exam.
Absolutely.